Skysecure Technologies is hiring through CodeSecure 2025 for the role of AI Agent Developer Intern. This hiring is being conducted through a HackerEarth challenge, so selection is mainly based on your performance in the test. The challenge consists of MCQs and programming questions, and it is conducted completely online. If you perform well in this challenge, candidates will be shortlisted for the internship opportunity. Now, coming to the roles details, the position is AI Agents Developer Intern, and the job location is Bangalore. This role focuses mainly on backend development, API integration, and intelligent AI agent systems. You will be working with Python, FastAPI, and Azure based services. So, this opportunity is best suited for the candidate interested in backend or cloud related roles. This role does not focus on training AI models. Instead, it focuses on building systems that integrate intelligent agents into real world applications, which is an important and in demand skill. Now let's talk about the eligibility. This opportunity is open to students and freshers with a background in computer science, IT, or related fields. If you have a basic understanding of Python, API, backend concept, or cloud platforms, you should definitely consider applying. Even if you don't meet every requirement, you can still participate in the challenge for the experience. Secure techno Sky Secure Technologies work in the cybersecurity and enterprise IT domain. So this internship will give you a exposure to secure, scalable system and a real industry level projects. I have posted the complete details of this opportunity on my website, including full job description, required skills, challenge format, important instruction, and the official apply link. So please check the link in the description to read full post and apply. I also updated my website regularly with the job posting, openings, internship, and hiring challenge. So you can visit anytime for the latest opportunities. That's all for this update. All links are in the description, and good luck.